That's fun.
You're skinny enough to fit. It's like a very tight squeeze. Ugh. Look, you have to go through here.
I'm not gonna fit in there.
Holy.
That's very cool. Yeah, we gotta go find him.
Can I go
Show me
down?
what's this way. Oh, is this his lungs? That's really cool. Or is that the stomach? I think this is the stomach, buddy. All right, you go down there and show me what's down there.
Okay. Yeah. I'll tell you what's down.
Tell me what's down there, because Mommy's not gonna fit.
Okay. I'm coming down. I'm in this.
Oh my goodness, I gotta bend. Wow.
Down here. Come on, Mommy. I'll show you what's down this.
Oh my goodness, it keeps going.
There's another tube over here.
All right, go show me what's in there.
Okay. There's another intestine.
Another intestine.
You see? Going up.
Oh man, I can't fit through there.
Okay, Mom.
You fit through there though, and you tell me what's there. Puppet show. Hi. Supermarket.
Where's Brayden?
That's
Oh,
so
what
fun.
is he?
We'll find him.
There's a
Oh wow. Oh, there he is. He's at the farm. That's very cool. You're driving the fire truck.
They all knew to get out and stay out. Dispatcher is on the scene at North County.
And advise the family is safe out in front of the house at their designated meeting place.
Engine one's on the scene standing by. At least 2 times every year. Reports that his parents and family dog also escaped. They all knew to get out and stay out.
And advise is on the scene. There's a two-story house with smoke showing.
Wow, you're going fast.
Dispatch copies on the scene with smoke showing.
Engine 5, the family is safe out in front of the house at their designated meeting place.
Engine 1's on the scene standing by the hydrant.
Engine 5, the fire's under control. There's not much damage. The family is safe.
Where do you go? Alright, so touch to start.
Pick the language.
English.
Is this English?
Yes.
Choose a home to build your fire escape plan. Then tap next.
That's your house?
And next.
Check next. Nope, let's start over. There you
Choose
go.
where smoke alarms are needed in this home. Correct. Smoke alarms are needed on walls or ceilings in all bedrooms, and common spaces like the living room and the dining room.
What should you do to stay safe when you hear the sound? A. Hide. B. Get low and run. Or C. Run.
Yeah. Oh, it's the safe meeting spot.
It's a news! It's a news!
It's a newsroom.
I don't want you to. What's the news, reporter? Right here. Alright. Ready? I'm gonna be filming! I don't want to do it.
Are you gonna read the news?
Look, if you stand in front of the thing over there, you gotta tell me.
Right here, then going down.
Don't be shy. Go show her, James.
And now right here. It's heading towards.
Go that way. No.
Everybody stay
Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. This way.
You sound like a real news anchor.
Look, come here. Yeah, no, not you. Come here.
Oh, that's cool. So try and stay in the boxes. There you go.
I'm staying in the boxes, Mom.
Yep, so pull up on the thing and you'll go higher. But not too high or you'll overshoot the box.
Hey! 47, 49, 47, watch out for the shooting clock!
Should have upgraded to first class, but man, these seats are kind of more roomy. All right, let's go see. Okay, show me. Go with Joshua. He wants to go with you. Oh, cool.
That's the bottom. Is everybody the color that this is covered in?
There's the big building kits over there. And Eleanor's in the art section. And Grady's in the Lego room. How many tall is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow, that's amazing. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3. Alright, that's what happens with them. Alright, so they work too well, right?
That's because you tucked it in.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, so close. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's okay. Wave.
This is my town.
Wow.
And you study that?
Can you believe it?
That's so cool.
And the head.
Made of all the tiny things. Bye, super fun kids museum. Bye, South Carolina State Museum.